Hey, what's up guys? My name is Lawrence Ngano and this is my channel LAWRY Designs, a channel where I bring to you everything related to graphic designing, everything related to video editing, everything related to filmmaking. So if you're interested by that, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any content from LAWRY Designs. So very quickly, we're going to go straight into what this video today is all about. Okay, so I've noticed that many churches are growing, many businesses are growing every day. We are having more and more companies entering into the field, more and more churches entering into the field, and one of the best ways they have to promote their content is by doing posters, doing video ads. In one way or the other, they are involved in one of all of these, and many people do posters that are not really beautiful. I said it, yeah. And also they do video ads that are boring. This channel is here to solve that problem, to make sure that we teach you how to make beautiful posters, beautiful flyers for your churches, beautiful video ads, beautiful things, also with filmmaking. So in this channel, what you should expect is tutorials on using softwares like Photoshop, using softwares like Corel Draw to do beautiful flyers, and also for smartphone users, there are also going to be lectures for you, things like Pixel Lab, apps that you can easily use, those posters, flyers, whatever on smartphone. And also for video tutorials, we're going to be doing tutorials for PC users with softwares like Premiere Pro, softwares like Wondershare, Filmora 9 or Filmora X, depending on what you have. We're also going to be doing tutorials with softwares like After Effects. Yeah, After Effects. So that's really going to be amazing. And for smartphone users, we're going to be doing using apps like KindMaster, Ucurd, and I will show you from there how to edit simple videos for your business and for your churches. If you are feeling like you are interested in entering in this field, then don't be frustrated. This is just to encourage you that remain in your goal, stay in your line, enter into this field. It's going to be an amazing journey with LAWRY Designs with your host Lawrence Ngano. Make sure you check me out on Facebook at Lawrence Ngano, LAWRY Designs, whatever. Just check it out on Facebook, check it out on Instagram as well, and follow my content there. So make sure, as I said, to get into the field, don't be discouraged. Nothing should discourage you. Make sure you get into it fully. We're going to be doing amazing content with you guys. For now, I'm going to make sure I post every day here on YouTube, Monday to Sunday, every day. My team and I are making sure that by January 10th, 2021, this channel should be 1,000 subscribers already, and also we should have monetized it by then, very quickly. So I trust you guys for your subscribes, I trust you guys for your views, I trust you guys for your likes, your comments, your shares, and everything related to YouTube that you may do, that you think you should do, because it's now your responsibility, given that I'm giving you
tutorials for free. It's just then your responsibility to subscribe, right?
So see you guys from the next video. We're going to be doing tutorials, we're going to be doing tips and tricks of graphic designing, we're going to be doing Photoshop tutorials, many things are going to be happening in this channel. So make sure.
How many times have I said subscribe in this particular video? I believe we're going to cut this out.
So make sure you subscribe.